Your first impressions of Zermatt are rugged beauty, panoramic views, and immense mountain landscapes. What are the top 4 things to do in Zermatt, Switzerland? Let's go see. Zermatt is a small town that's easily explored on foot. In fact, there are no cars. You can check out one of the many excellent restaurants or bars, shop or visit a museum, or even sample the famous Swiss chocolates. Zermatt is steeped in dramatic history and the tragic fate of the first mountain climbers to conquer the Matterhorn. More on that later. The Matterhorn Museum is really a must-see in Zermatt. Special attention is dedicated to the Matterhorn, that iconic pyramid-shaped peak that can be seen from almost every corner in Zermatt. The Matterhorn is one of the tallest mountains in the Alps, at 14,700 feet. Mountaineers even feared it. The Matterhorn wasn't conquered until 1865, after many failed attempts. But that fateful expedition ended in tragedy when 4 men plunged to their death shortly after reaching the summit, under very speculative circumstances. For more than a century, this spellbinding and riveting tale of the tragic yet triumphant ascent has captivated millions. The event literally ended the golden age of alpinism. Zermatt is literally a wonderland for sports lovers, especially the outdoor kind. Alpine skiing, hiking, and mountain biking are especially popular. The area is home to Europe's longest ski run of 25 kilometers from the Klein Matterhorn, and also the highest gondola in the Alps at 12,700 feet. Skiing is even possible all year round. The number one thing to do in Zermatt is to ride the Gornergrat Railway to the Gornergrat Mountain. This highest open railway in Europe takes you to the summit at over 10,100 feet. The panoramic views are unrivaled, as you are surrounded by 29 peaks at over 13,100 feet. And for that reason, it's a hiker's dream.
Gornergrat Railway wishes you a pleasant stay.
But the most impressive are the close-up views of the Matterhorn and some really beautiful glaciers. This really is one of the best places to be in the Alps. So those are the best things to do while visiting Zermatt, Switzerland. It really is a beautiful country. Please click subscribe and follow for more adventures in Switzerland and beyond. See you on the road.